Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I'm going to show you about our app Go Green. First, you need to register if you don't have any account yet. And click on the register button. The code will automatically send to your email. Just type your code here to verify your account. And click verify. Okay, you already got an account, so now what you need to do is log in. Okay, this is our feature. Okay, now let's come to the feature of the video. First, product feature. In the feature, you can see the picture of the product, name, price, description, and the ID of the product. If you want to search for more description and more product, just type the ID of the product. Yes, this is description of the product, and here you can comment on it and click send. If you want to buy the product, just go to chat feature, search for the seller account, and type. And don't forget to mention the product ID. Click send. We will check your message and reply back soon, and we will contact to you. Okay, so now come to the video feature. For the feature, in the feature you can see many recycling videos from West. Here come to the upload. For this feature, if you want to upload, you need to buy member card. Okay, that's all for our video today. Thanks for watching.